Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. So trench here, as you can see, borehole there, trench coming in, a bit of water there from the rain we've had. Now I'm putting in a post here for our little fuse box. So this just here, so I've got to concrete that in right now. It's one of the things I've got to do on my list of jobs today, and then I'm just going to do some property cleanup, whatever happens. Join me for the journey. How deep do I want to put this thing? I probably want it to be close to ground level, so if I need to I can put a little box around it or a shed or something. Alright, that's all done. So last step now is to put electrical down, then we're done. So I'm hoping this week, next week, it'll be done. We'll be able to test the pump, push some water out of here and see how it looks. Not far off. And then, once we get some irrigation plans designed up, into it. I wish I could get into it now, to be honest, but gotta wait for the plans to go. Anyway, all good. Let's see how much, actually. There's so much gunk in here, it's disgusting. You probably can't see it, but there's some algae growing in there. So filthy. Schnitty, don't drink that, it's filthy. Don't drink it, okay? It's a bit yuck. Yuck. Come on, let's go. Since I moved in, I've never actually cut down that hill there at all, so it's gonna be thick and overgrown with Kikuyu, so I bought myself an extra combi bit for the still, so I can just whip through it with this, because I like the strap on this thing, good for my back. So we're gonna whip through that whole area just there, see how much we can get done, and I wanna get this paddock mowed as well, whether I finish it today or tomorrow. And I wouldn't mind even going around the dam with this as well. See how far we get. I don't want to overdo it and do something to my back, but let's at least try this section. I'll time lapse it, see if it's satisfying. If it's not, but it will be. Woo! Right, I'm done for now. This thing is a beast, man. Like, did a really, really good job. Great with this strap on there too. Like, my back feels fine at the moment. Maybe not tomorrow. That took me an hour and a half to do that whole area. There's some bits left over there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, which I'll just get with the mower because it's not super steep there. And I might even try coming down there with the mower now that I can actually see how steep it is. Just before, when I couldn't see what was there, maybe there was a rock under there, some sticks, I don't know. Just a little bit dangerous because I had no idea what was under there. Oh, mate, it took me ages. Right, so I'm going to mow this paddock today with the, this is actually a finishing mower, not a slasher. So I adjusted the height. You can probably see it in this GoPro footage here. So I just moved a couple of the spaces here up to the top so that we're cutting just that little bit lower. Yeah, that's right, just making sure. A little bit lower on this mower because it's a lot lower than last time I cut it, which last time I cut it was up to my hip. Now it's really only up to my ankle because I've been mowing it more regularly. With the zero turn, actually, I haven't used this for a while. So give this a go. Probably won't go down that big hill like we were yesterday, like that's why we used the whippy yesterday on it. I don't really want to use a tractor. I don't know, these small tractors, man, just scare me on big slopes. Who knows, maybe we'll try it, we'll see how we go. Let's mow this now. Just get it done. Get some mowing done, eh, Schnitty? Getting things prepped. You get the par 3 ready and doing some shaping very, very soon. That's why I'm getting on top of this paddock and tidying it up. I'm gonna trim some tree branches later. Just want to start getting it tidy, ready to start doing things.
It's time to say goodbye, leave it all in store, don't we? Need you to hold your breath, swim till you reach deeper and it's time to leave, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. Whatever means it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. It's time to leave, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. Whatever means it's time to break free from the shallows.
Done, son. All done. How long did that take? What's the time? An hour and a half to do the whole paddock with that. Not well, apart from the edges, because as I said, I want to clean up the trees just here. So we've got a big dead boy just here, basically, nearly all dead. You can see it just there. So I just want to clean these limbs up here on the side of it because they keep smacking the tractor when I go near it. So also the roll bar's not getting under that one that's hanging down there that's about to snap. So we'll do that. This one's hanging over a bit too, and there's some dead limbs all the way up the top as well. So just gonna come along here and clean all this out. I don't really know what to do with this tree here. It's an ugly looking thing. Ugly! I think we'll just leave that for today, but in time I need to, I don't know. Someone's marked them too, like there's these big green T's on them. Is this like essential energy or something to say they're going to get rid of them? Don't know. If someone knows, let me know. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. Chop them down. Keep tidying this paddock up. that is all done for today. See how we go. I might do something else tomorrow, so I'm not going to write the video out yet. But electrical is getting done on Saturday. I was just speaking with my brother-in-law, bro. Getting electrical done, so the pump will be running by this weekend, so a couple of days away. So, mate, super excited. It's about time, to be honest, that he got done. Man, it's seriously about time. I think I've been in this place, I think it's legit coming up to 12 months, like nowish. It's around about now that we moved into this property, so it's nice to finally be doing some things, clearing the paddock out, getting it ready for some construction, and then starting the irrigation very soon.